Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll be walking through how to create a UML object diagram using Software Ideas Modeler. We'll work with a pre-existing project that includes a class diagram called ThemeSystem. This diagram contains three classes: AppTheme, Color, and Font. AppTheme defines the application theme, including colors and fonts. The color class stores color values with RGB attributes and allows us to name the color, while the font class lets us specify font name, size, and style attributes like bold, italic, and underline. Let's begin by creating an object diagram. First, click the plus button in the tab bar, then select Object Diagram from the drop-down menu. This opens a new empty UML object diagram. Object diagrams are perfect for showing a real-time state of application objects or for defining configurations. In our example, we'll use the object diagram to define different app themes. Go to the project sidebar and expand the ThemeSystem diagram node. Now drag the color class to the object diagram canvas. This creates an instance specification element with color set as a classifier reference. Rename this instance to white smoke. As you can see, the instance name white smoke appears before the colon, while the classifier name color appears after the colon. To add attributes from the color class, click the Add Attributes button in the context bar, then choose Select All in the Add Attributes dialog. Click OK to confirm. All attributes RGB and name are now visible in the color object. Let's fill in the values. Set the name to white smoke and the RGB values to 245. We'll create another color object in the same way. Drag the color class again, rename it to light black, and add the attributes just like before. Set the name to light black and the RGB values to 30. Now, let's add a font object. Drag the font class from the ThemeSystem class diagram onto the object diagram canvas. Rename it to Arial. Like before, we'll add all attributes and fill the values. Set the name to Arial, the size to 12, and leave bold, italic, and underline as false. To create a second font, copy the Arial object by dragging it with the right mouse button and selecting Copy Here, Independent. Rename this copy to Arial Bold and set the bold attribute to true. Now it's time to create the theme objects. Drag the app theme class from the ThemeSystem class diagram onto the object diagram and rename it Light Theme. Drag the app theme class again to create a second object and rename it to Dark Theme. Next, add attributes to both theme objects and set their values, including the name attribute, to match each object's name. To set the colors, right-click and drag the white smoke color object over to the button color attribute of the light theme object. When you drop it, select the Set Value option from the context menu. Repeat this for the background color attribute. Next, right-click and drag the light black color to the border color attribute and select Set Value. Similarly, right-click and drag the Arial font object to the default font attribute and choose Set Value. Do the same for the Arial bold font to set it for the title font attribute. For the dark theme, follow the same process to define the colors and fonts. To finish, we'll add associations between the app themes and the related objects. First, select all the color and font objects using the Selection tool. Then, use the Association tool from the toolbox and drag it over to the app theme objects to connect them. This links the colors and fonts to their respective themes. And that's it! You've just created a UML object diagram showcasing different app themes using Software Ideas Modeler. This is a great way to visualize object instances and configurations in real time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on Software Ideas Modeler. See you in the next video.